What up? We're here. We're gonna install that. It's an Invidia N1. Those are loud. That's really nice. And to this right here, not your everyday BRZ, much nicer. Yeah, let's get to it.
Go.
Let's see what comes with it. Hardware, very important. Oh man, the juicy stuff. White pipe.
Oh yeah. It's like a T-pipe, man.
Oh,
Yes.
that looks good right there.
Look at that. Yeah. That's the money shot right there.
Dude, that looks really nice. You want a jack if you can, even the factory one, which is what we used, works just fine. Jack stands, if you have wheel ramps, that may work. Depends on how skinny you are. I'm obviously the bigger one of us two, so I didn't go under there, but this was just enough at the first notch. It's stuff for your jack. A 12 box wrench, a 14 box wrench, and equivalent sockets, preferably deep and the regular, just in case. We did need deep for one bit. That's just for the factory one, but other than that, a regular 14 socket. 14 is going to be your best friend here. The 12 is only for the very end of the, or the very beginning of the exhaust, depending on how you want to look at it. And a screwdriver, Phillips, just in case you have this bit going on. Some C-clip removers, and that's it. It's pretty simple. WD-40. WD-40, actually, yes. Start by jacking it. Let's see, I'm gonna put this here. That looks good right there, yeah. So the first thing you're probably gonna wanna do is to lube up this stuff right here. Oops. Your hangers. Because this is gonna be, without a doubt, the hardest part.
Fucking what's the word?
Fat.
No. I was fat, man. Once upon a time. No, claustrophobic. That's the word.
Oh, okay. So that's a 12 on this end, 14 on that end,
Oh, my gosh.
and you just twist either one of them or both of them. There you go. You broke
Alright,
it.
there's something.
And then that's it from there. You just keep, loosening it. I think from what I remember, you use the original hardware here, but I could be wrong.
For this one? Well, we'll see what depends on what.
Well, we'll keep all the bolts anyway, so that's out.
Okay, I know.
Keep your hardware. And just in case, keep this. So after you disconnect everything, you can pretty much remove anything that's on a hanger, which includes your muffler or your pipe, whichever way you want to start. But it looks like the pipe's sagging already because it got disconnected. It doesn't matter. Either way, it's still on a hanger.
The saggy pipe.
Let's do this and remove it. By the way, if you have this tool, it helps. It's like a T-clip remover.
Best tool in the fucking world.
That'll save you a lot of time. Got it?
Yeah. Holy shit. This thing is fucking heavy.
That thing is huge. WD-40, ladies and gentlemen.
For life's problems, there's always WD-40. And don't fucking cheap out. There we go. And Bob's your uncle. Oh, whoa.
I got it.
Alright, you just hang out there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, and that's it. There's your stock exhaust there. Yeah, so it's pretty self-explanatory. One side's for the driver, the other side's for the passenger. I mean, you could try putting them on either side, but it won't work. Only one per side. This goes there, that goes there. Let's put it on. All you gotta do is slide it in the hole. Pretty straightforward. I'm about to do the same here.
One looks all retarded.
Yeah, because it's not all the way in yet.
I know, it's like, look all retarded. It's all like sticking out to the side.
Oh man, the
Oh, there it
WD.
is.
The WD makes a huge difference. Oh yeah, much better.
Oh, yeah.
Then you get this connector right here with the beautiful Invidia sign. Lube that up real well if it's not already. Put on the hangers. Have your buddy over here put in some bolts, screws by hand first. Make sure the gasket is in between.
Yep.
And that's it. I think these are both 14s, so you probably don't want to tighten them too much because you want a little bit of play just in case something doesn't match up or line up. You want to connect the pipe that he has over there into here and start tightening from there, moving back. So let's see how that works out. The stock system has the cone that you're going to keep on there, and it's kind of like funneled here on this piping.
Almost there. This is the hardest part probably.
So get your favorite box wrench, socket, deep socket preferable depending, and your ratchet, tighten away.
There you go.
That should be good. Yeah.
Okay.
It's good. Perfecto. Couple reps. Oh, it's so much louder. Put back your favorite diffuser, whatever it is, maybe loosely, just in case something's up with the exhaust. Then you could, as you go on, put it back. So let's take a few drive-by clips. All right, let's go listen to what it sounds like inside. So I'm sure the first question that people will ask is, what does it sound like inside? Yeah, it's kind of loud, but I thought mine was loud when I first had it, but I got pretty used to it relatively quickly. It sounds really nice though. You can really feel it in the seat. Yeah, it sounds good, man.
It sounds louder here.
Oh, it sounds loud. Woo! If I only had a decibel meter, I could tell you how loud it is.
Probably more than loud.
Enough to wake the neighbors up. So that's it. That's all it takes to install it. It's really fun. Sounds really good. I'm sure you'll be very pleased. It's gonna be loud, so if you're not in a pretty good neighborhood and your neighbors hate you, either you want them to hate you some more or you don't give a fuck. But that's all it takes. Huh? I know, much louder than that one. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, take it easy. Be awesome.